Now I'm creating new layer. Okay, you know this, you know how to create a layer.
Yeah.
And here, I'm creating any, for example, red. I'm creating one, and here I'm creating one red color. Okay, and you can fill and deselect. Okay, here sometime when you are clicking here, okay, when you are clicking here on the red, you can rename that layer, right? Layer name, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but sometime when you are clicking here, it will appear, it will open different windows. That is called the layer style.
Yeah.
When you're clicking, double clicking here, not on the, the name, or when you're double clicking here also, it will appear the new one. That's called the layer style. If you're going, layer style, here you can see blending options. Layer means, that's a blending option. Okay. Object to with the other image. Okay, blending option, from here, starting bevel and number, stroke, inner shadow and all. Okay, bevel and number, stroke, inner shadow and all. So the same thing, here also you can see bevel and numbers, inner shadow and all. Okay, so first of all, I'm starting here layer style, bevel and numbers. Okay, the bevel and numbers, it will come here. See, this is an emboss. I hope you can see, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is emboss. So here, you can adjust the size also. See, you can adjust the size.
It's
Okay.
like 3D.
Yeah, 3D effect, emboss effects. Okay, and inner bevel, here, you can see emboss, outer side, inner side. Okay, there is a below emboss. This is a more details you can see. Okay. So normally emboss only. Okay, and here you can see here, depth you can adjust, as I said, size you can adjust. Okay, soften you can adjust, and in case, gross count, if you want, different area you can choose from here. Okay, here, we need a normal one. Here there is another option also, counter. When you're clicking here, the thing is, it will be different style model. I don't want to that one. Texture, there is one texture option. Okay, texture, when you are clicking here texture, just click here and click here. Okay, you need to click here on the type. Okay, so that you can see the texture here. Which texture you want, you can use. For example, if you want to use, this texture, this one, any texture you can use. Okay. For example, if you want to your photo inside, that also is possible. See, I created my photo last time. This is my photo. That my photo also I can use inside this. So I can adjust the scaling. See. Okay. Maybe you will ask, how we can add, our photo inside this. Okay. So that for that, you can open any picture. I'm opening this picture and I'm selecting only this area. Okay. Clear? I'm now clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. So this is I selected only this area and I'm going to edit, define as a pattern. Define as a pattern. If you want, you can give the name also. Give OK. So that if you're creating as a define as a pattern, when you're using here also texture, okay, on the texture, you can see here there is one pattern option. Pattern option, last one you can see our picture. See,
Yeah.
here it's not, the scale is too much, so you can adjust like this scale, and from here you can move, where exactly you want. This is a good option for that for us. Okay.
Yeah.
So this bevel and emboss, I don't want to see that bevel and emboss. There is one stroke option. I don't want, I am closing that one. There is another one, stroke. Okay, stroke means, you will get a border from outside. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can adjust the values also from here. The values is not visible. If you want to see the visible, okay, for the adjustment, you need to click on the stroke. Okay.
If
So
I
here
don't
you
want
can,
to stroke, what can I choose?
sorry,
If I don't want to stroke,
you don't want the stroke.
yeah, only click.
No, if you don't want, you can off this one.
Oh, okay.
If you need this one, you need to click this one, and you can adjust the size.
Mm-hmm.
And here position, you can see this is a center. Center means it will the stroke it will come inside and outside, both sides. And here outside only. When you're increasing, it's going outside only. So if you're inside, it will come inside only. See,
Yeah.
outside. And here we have a color change. If you want to do any other color change, you can do the color change also. Okay. And here, this is a layer style. What are the, see, for example, I'm just giving okay. This is a red layer, right? Here I can click, double click, and I already given stroke here. I can give multiple layer style on one object. For example, I'm giving here inner shadow also. Sorry, not inner shadow. I'm offing this stroke. There is an inner shadow. Inner shadow, when you're clicking here, you can adjust the size. See, shadow is coming inside. The same model, inner glow also there is, inner glow, okay? Inner glow, you need to adjust the size. You need to do like this, okay? And yeah, noise also, if you want, you can adjust. Okay, here you can adjust the stroke also. And if you want bevel and emboss, that also is possible. That means multiple effects you can apply in one layer. Okay. If you are okay, you can give okay. The same layer, if you are creating any other object also, see, if I'm creating this one, and if I'm giving any other blue color or any other color, if I'm filling, it will affect like this. You know why? I fill the blue color. So the stroke, the same pink color came, and bevel and emboss also is came, and noise also came, right? Because I create
Copy. You make in same layer.
same layer. That's fine. This is a layer style. So what are the effects you are giving on the same layer? It will affect the other object also if you are creating the same layer. Okay. Okay. One moment. Okay. So next one, I'm creating another layer. Okay. Or here also what I can do here, if I'm double clicking, I can off this all. See, in one object I have applied bevel and emboss, stroke, inner glow. Okay. That means multiple effects you can apply in one object. Satin, when you're clicking satin, it will come like this. If you want to get more option here, you need to click here. And you can adjust the size, see, angle you can adjust. There's a lot of things. And color overlay, normally this is one color, okay, single color. So if you want to change it to any different colors, see, you can change from here. Okay, I don't want to color overlay. Gradient overlay option also available here. You need to click the gradient overlay, click the gradient overlay here, and which gradient you want, you can choose. Is that clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, the same model, here you can create, you can create your own gradient also. That you know, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Pattern overlay. Pattern overlay, you know what? Pattern, you know, it will be different pattern it will come. This is a one pattern. See, from here you can adjust like this. I choose, you know, we can choose our photo also. You know how to create our photo, right? See,
Yeah.
the same model, you know, we can create our photo. We can do like this. Okay. And outer glow means, you know, if you want to see the outer glow, first you have to create layers. Okay. And you can create, you know, gradient inside. Then only you can see the effects here. Here, you know, bevel and ember, stroke, inner glow I am closing. This is only the one object. Outer glow, when you're clicking here, outer glow, see, there is a glow, it's coming for outer. Okay. And see, you can adjust like this. Opacity, if you want to, you can adjust opacity. Noise, if you want, you can apply the noise also. You know what is noise, right? Okay, noise. And in case if you want to do any other colors, okay, like yellow colors, whatever, normally it will be white only, but you know which color you want, you can use. Okay. And here the size, softness you can adjust. Softness, you know, should be like this only. Okay. In case here, if you need, you know, any other gradient model, that also is possible. I don't want, I need only the color. And here when you're adjusting, some value will adjust, you can see this one.